Marhaba and welcome. In this MCA Enlightens series, we will be talking about the transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is a very important concept that is part of the UAE Corporate Tax legislation. So far, entities were free to choose the kind of pricing they would deploy for related party and connected persons. However, within the transfer pricing, there is an element of arm's length. What it basically means is that the pricing that you deploy for related parties and for connected persons, that should be something which is similar that you deploy with a third party. So basically, how would you determine that is obviously you need to do benchmarking studies, and the transfer pricing also talks about various methods in which you can evaluate whether the pricing is at arm's length. Let's also understand what is related parties and connected persons. Effectively, related parties, if you talk about entities where there are more than 50% control, then they would be the related parties. When we talk about the natural persons, up to the 4th degree of kinship would also be considered as far as the related party is concerned. Similarly, when we talk about the connected persons, the owner or shareholder of the company, the director of the company, they would all be coming under the connected person. So let us take an example that where you have a small establishment and effectively the owner is actively involved in the management of the company. In that scenario, the owner, in terms of if he's taking a management kind of salary, now that salary should be effectively be at arm's length. What it means is that effectively that kind of a job which the owner is doing, if a third party were to be deployed, what would be the salary that would be payable to such a person? So this is something that would be determining the arm's length. So as we see, transfer pricing is a very important element of the corporate tax as such. However, in terms of documentation, they have kept it little more simpler. So small entities do not have to do the detailed documentation of local and master file, and it is only applicable for entities who have turnovers exceeding 200 million or who are part of the MNEs as such. So in short, we have tried to explain the transfer pricing as a whole. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends. Also, if you have any queries about any of the topics, please press on the link below and we can schedule a one-to-one session. Stay tuned, stay informed.